Hi, I'm Rado Breja, and today I will show you how to navigate through the Mythos coffee grinder digital display. This coffee grinder provides the highest levels of technology to meet the requirements of even the most demanding baristas. Micro adjustments are made incredibly easy with simple dial controls that allow for incredible fine-tuning of the grind during every step of the coffee making process. Baristas can track and monitor each setting, timing, and more via the bright and easy-to-read LCD display. One of the main advantages offered by this display is to have all settings under control at the same time. The homepage presents the burst distance, the quick recipe selection settings, and grinder head temperature. Now press the main menu to select and enter the settings menu. You will have access to the information page, where you can find out and eventually update the software version and check which machine model you are working with. Then there is the keys and display page. This page allows setting the unit of measurement, the display brightness, and to upload a screensaver picture via the USB port that you can easily find below the display. The last item you can set is date and time by pressing the minus and plus keys. Now let's go back to the settings main menu by pressing the key on the upper left side. Press language to set the display language. You can choose between Italian, English, French, German, and Spanish. Now we can skip to the second page of the settings menu. The first item is maintenance. In this page, it is possible to access the alarm history. This page is currently empty. After a period of use, you will find a list of alarms that have been activated during machine operation. Now let's go back and enter the maintenance alarm section. In the first page, you can enable or disable the maintenance alarm and decide after how many cycles to activate it by pressing the minus and plus keys. You can reset the counter by pressing the refresh icon. In the second page, you can set the date when maintenance will be required. Let's go back to the menu to enter the next item, which is counters. This menu shows the doses delivered by the grinder. You can check the partial counter and the absolute counter. The last item of this menu is dedicated to the technical settings aimed at technicians. A very interesting feature of the Mythos is the possibility for baristas to create recipes. From the main menu, press the cup icon at the top right of the display. To add a new recipe, press the plus key. Switch to on to activate the timer mode, which enables the delivery of doses in time rather than by weight. On the right side, you can set the purge item, which is useful for manual correcting doses or removing residues from the grinding chamber. On the lower side of the page, you can set the grinder head temperature and the tare accuracy by pressing the minus and plus keys. The next page allows setting the stop and go mode. This function stops dispensing at half dose to allow distributing the ground coffee into the filter manually. To complete the dose, it will be enough to reinsert the filter holder and restart the grinder. The other item you can set in this page is the delivery dose weight. You can program up to 3 doses and recall the values by pressing the 3 keys below the display. At the end of the recipe settings, save your own recipe by pressing the check icon on the upper right corner of the display. Now you can rename your creation and save. Your recipe will appear on the My Coffees page. Each saved setting can be quickly recalled using one of the 3 buttons located below the display. We're done for today. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Victoria Arduino's how-to videos. See you soon!